scale. Guys, today we have indicator like this, Fairbanks model FB-1100. To calibrate this indicator we should open it. We have jumper here, we should remove this jumper, then put all together, plug the indicator, and while we pressing units button we turn on the indicator. It's showing wait, now it shows set up. Now by pressing BG button we go to the calibration, then press units button, it shows counts. When it's stabilized we press BG button, 0, we press 0 button,
we'd happily turn that into a diamond pendant for you. But what if I wanted to put it in an engagement ring?
now we should put the weight, calibration weight, which will be about 3000. When we put the weight we can see the counts. When we see counts we press units button, and now we put the number, which will be, we put 3 here by pressing this button, then here will be 2, and that's all we need for now. Then we press 0 button and save. When it shows save, we press units button, save 1, we press 0 button, and it goes back to setup mode. Now we turn off the scales, put the jumper back, and double check what the weight it will show. 0 it. Now we just turn it on. Okay, let's check it. I will put 4370, 4360, 60, 53. The thing is, this one counting by 10, this one counting by 1. That's why it's different in the numbers. So I have 40, 36, 35, but here is still 40 because it's counting by 10. So that's all. Calibration done. Now you know how to calibrate the scales. Don't forget to put the jumper back. And thanks for watching.